Good morning, it's good to see you. Today we are in Heber Springs. I want to go check out Bridal Veil Falls and Cornelius Falls. I'm glad you could join me. So just a short walk from the parking lot. The parking lot's just right there. You have this little platform where you can see the falls from. And then there's a trail that'll take you down to the falls down below. We've had so much rain that I knew the waterfall would be running pretty good, and it is. It's beautiful. Let's see if we can get down below. Now, I've never been here, but I have seen videos where people get confused, and just right past the platform there's this, it's a wash, and people think that's the trail down, and it's pretty steep and rugged. But then there's this trail that goes on around the edge here. So my understanding is don't go down that one, stay up here, and then you'll work your way. It's still a little steep, but nothing like that. And if you have kids, be careful, because it is, you fall down that, you're just going to keep rolling. No one wants to go down the fast way. Man, there's a lot of trees down across the trails. We've had so many storms, so much rain. Just about every trail I've been on, it seems like here lately, has got trees laid all across the trails. This is still a pretty narrow trail. Pretty steep, but it'll be worth it in the end. Yeah, if you're searching for waterfalls, we've been fortunate enough to have a lot of rain. Even the seasonal waterfalls are running pretty good. Of course, we're still early in the year. You get into July and August, and a lot of these waterfalls are down to a trickle. Just not much to them. There's a nice wide path back behind it here, where you can get behind it. They didn't leave us a very good option to stack one on top. That was pointy. I gotta try though. Almost lost it. I'll guarantee you no one else will get one on top. I about lost it putting that one on there. Everything has a balance point though. It's amazing. I watched a video on balance points, and you can take something just shaped in such a weird way and you can turn it to where eventually it will find a balance point. Someone's made a memorial here. Makes me wonder if she fell or if this was just a favorite spot of hers and wanted a memorial here. Awful young. 86, 96, 76, 16. She's 34 years old. That's sad. I hope it's not a case that she fell. So this is the bottom of Cornelius Falls. This is just down from that little memorial. That little memorial's right up there on that corner. It's not really an easy trek to get down here. There's a lot of scampering down rocks and mud and tree roots. But if you can do it, it's worth it. Beautiful down in here. This is the creek that feeds Bridal Veil Falls. This is the trail that's opposite of what I took. So if you come up, get on that platform, and as you're walking off the platform, if you turn to the left, just a short little trail, and you'll end up here at this creek. Well, I've made it home. Not a minute too soon. I was getting hungry. I forgot to bring a snack, crackers, orange, anything. I brought plenty of water, but I didn't bring anything to eat. So, I was only an hour away from my house, so I could survive to get home instead of stopping and getting something. But I hope you enjoyed going to Bridal Veil Falls and Cornelius Falls with me. And until next time, we'll see you later. If you liked this video, we'd appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe to our channel. Also, hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified when future videos come out. We'll see you guys next time.